Hey guys, Rom Guruji here, back with another video, and this time it's a total in-depth take on Origin OS. Now I know that I have done a lot of video on Origin OS, but this is like a compilation of everything you need to know in one single video. Now since this video is anyways going to be long, the Hindi version will be released after this video is released the next day. So do not worry, a Hindi version is coming. If you're a Hindi viewer, stay subscribed. You will get a notification saying that yeah, they have produced a Hindi video of it. Now let's get started. Now this video is going to cover everything. So first let's start with something that everybody is looking for, the release date. Now the release date is staggered, but the first release to most of the iQOO 3 users and the flagship Vivo users is coming after 30th Jan. So do remember, you will have to wait till 2021 end of January to get the first open public beta. You must remember, this is not a full stable release, but rather the public betas, right? The full stable release is still going to take time. The second question on people's mind related to Origin OS: will we get Android 11 with Origin OS, or will we get Android 11 before it? Now this is a very pertinent question for people who are using iQOO 3. Gagan Arora confirmed you're going to get Android 11, but this will not be on Origin OS, this will be on FunTouch OS. So Vivo is going to release the FunTouch OS 11 first, and then they'll be releasing the Origin OS update through OTA. So do not need to worry, you will get Android 11 right now in the month of December more or less, for especially for iQOO 3 users. Otherwise you're going to have to wait for Origin OS, because Origin OS isn't going to come on time. Talking about waiting and Origin OS and iQOO 3, do you see this beautiful case I have here on my iQOO 3? Well, there are more accessories just like this mentioned down in the description. Go check them out. These are really nice and really important for iQOO 3 users. Go check them out. Now let's move on to this next one. That is, will Origin OS support older Vivo phones? It will. Now hear me out. Older Vivo phones will have to come with Origin OS on a different Android platform. They will not be able to come on the Android 11 platform since they're pretty old phones. So what is going to happen is, Vivo is going to first release Origin OS to most of its Android 11 based phones right now. So like I told you, the first quarter is just going to be the newer phones, the flagship phones, iQOO phones, right? So after all of those are done, Vivo is then going to start developing all of this, right? So another question people have like, will Origin OS support a switch to stock? Now this is where I feel sad conveying this. No, it will not support a switch to stock, but rather it will support a switch to FunTouch OS. So Origin OS is more colorful, has more animation, to a certain degree is more battery consuming. So if you don't want that kind of a look, if you don't want that overly animated kind of a look, you are going to be able to switch to FunTouch OS 11, which is, I think, stockish, but it is not, honestly speaking. But then again, there is that switch they have given. Will Origin OS update be huge? Yes. The Origin update is going to be very huge, for a very simple reason. It is going to have those extendable widgets and a lot of it, a lot of animations, a lot of wallpapers, a lot of all of those things. So yes, the update is going to be majorly used. Anyways, whenever Vivo releases a new major update, it's anyways super huge. But Origin OS update is going to be pretty huge, so make sure you have space for that. It's going to be pretty massive. Will Origin OS come to India and iQOO 3? Yes, it will come to India, it will come to iQOO 3, for a very simple reason. If you've seen how Vivo works, Vivo is actually giving updates to iQOO simultaneously with their other Chinese counterparts. So do not need to worry, you will get Origin OS in India, but it will take time, that's for sure. And before the Feb, do not even expect a public beta, because yeah, so the release date anyway starts after January 30 for public beta, so it's going to take a long time. So before that you will get Android 11. Next, is it ideal to buy a Vivo or iQOO phone because Origin OS is coming? No, it is not. Because understand something, even with Origin OS, the core ethics and the core idea of Vivo remains the same. So that won't change, and that would not change the downfalls or the pitfalls the company has. It will improve on this OS more and more, but for now I don't think that the first release of a new OS is something you should switch your board for, or buy a phone for. It's the first release, right? They will still have a lot of bugs to fix. I have bought iQOO 3 and now it's like nearly a year and I'm still waiting for all the bugs to be fixed. So you must understand that is going to happen. What are the wallpapers and themes on Origin OS? So Origin OS in itself is technically a theme. Because you will have that switch between FunTouch OS and Origin OS, you are just going to change the look and feel of all the UI on your phone. So it's basically having two big UI themes on your phone. Other than that, what are the wallpapers? So they have this wallpaper which is a countdown wallpaper. So you set a certain amount of time, and during that time a flower will go from a small bud to a fully grown flower. So that is a really cool wallpaper. Then there is a wallpaper that mimics the sun's direction and has little shadows on your wallpaper. Then there is a weather wallpaper that mimics your weather. With the weather, actually there are themes that actually mimic the weather, so that is also very cool there. So they're doing a lot on the personalization and customization front. That is interesting. Will there be any game mode changes in the Origin OS? Slight, very minimal. The look of the game mode will change, the little performance boost will come. Otherwise, nothing very major. It's just going to be the same normal game mode. You're not going to have anything major because, see, they're following a concept of don't fix what's not broken. So similarly, the game mode is pretty good on iQOO and Vivo both, I think. Having used iQOO phones, I know the game mode is pretty good. So I don't think they're going to fix that. If you're going to ask me what are the other major changes under the hood they will get, so the performance improvements are not a lot. They're actually going to improve your touch response rate. Remember, refresh rate will not be upgraded, right? It will not change anything, so don't even hope for a refresh rate upgrade because that requires a hardware upgrade and not a software upgrade. Will they allow bootloader unlocking with Origin OS? No, not for now. As far as the company is concerned, their policy of not allowing bootloader unlocking remains the same. So that is also not changing. Can we expect a smoother performance from Origin OS? Definitely, because they're improving their animation. If you actually observe your iQOO phone or a Vivo phone, whichever one you have, you'll realize that the problem in optimization is not with the actual software, but how sluggish the software feels. So that is going to be upgraded and changed with Origin OS. So hopefully it will not feel sluggish at all. But in the starting, there would be a few bugs. Should I go for the public beta when it releases? No. Now you might think, why is he saying no for a public beta? Because for a simple reason, a beta is still a beta. It can't be used for a daily driver. So if you're a person who uses phones for their daily drivers, probably not suggest you to use betas. But if you're an enthusiast, know how to work around a boot looping phone or a soft brick phone, go for it. Otherwise, don't. Do I think Vivo will improve as a company? Vivo and iQOO phones will improve in their value as Origin OS come. Honestly speaking, the value of iQOO 3 has dropped so much that I don't think there would be any huge improvement. A slight improvement might come, but the people buying the phone might increase with the software being better. Then again, bootloader unlocking will not come, which is a pain point for a lot of people. To sum it up, Origin OS update will be cool visually, will be cool how it looks and how it feels more or less, but under the hood changes will be minimal. The main Android 11 changes will come with FunTouch OS 11 and not Origin OS. So you must remember the first update you're going to receive of Android 11 is going to be FunTouch OS. If you did like our video, if you do like our work, please subscribe and like. And there's a buy me a coffee link down below if you're ever interested in giving to the channel. You can totally go there, right, and enter the amount you like. That's all for this video, guys. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, guys. See you in the next one. And the Hindi version is coming soon.